Hi guys, today in this video we are discussing about all new Samsung Galaxy S23 series. This year Samsung bringing us some brand new features and some new incremental updates in its S series. The S23 Ultra screen, showcasing its large 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display. With a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display, the S23 Ultra delivers an immersive viewing experience like no other. The S23 Ultra's rear camera, showcasing its 200-megapixel resolution, the Samsung Galaxy S23 will also be offered with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, while the Galaxy S23 Plus will also come with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Lastly, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra price could start from $1,199.99, roughly 97,500 rupees, for the base 8GB per 256GB configuration. Additionally, the S23 Ultra also comes in a 12GB per 512GB trim. Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy S23 series on February 1st in India and globally. While several reports have been floating about the specifications and design. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.